class, happy Choose Joy Thursday. Hopefully you guys are having a great week and learning about the rainforest and watching those videos about the Amazon. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all of it as much as I am. So today we're going to read our full text talking about that tropical rain belt, right? That goes around the earth, around the equator, where those trade winds converge that make the rainforest have wet and dry seasons. So remember, the rainforest, the temperature always stays the same, really hot, but some seasons are really wet and some seasons are really dry. Okay, so let's go over our vocab and then we're going to go into our reading. Okay, our first vocab word is abundant. Remember, abundant means in a large amount. So this picture shows an abundant rainfall, lots and lots of rainfall. This picture shows abundant snowfall, lots and lots of snowfall, okay? And our next vocab word is converge, right? When two things meet. When we're talking about the tropical rain belt, it's when two trade winds meet at the equator to make those dry and wet seasons along the rainforest, along the equator. Our third vocab word is humid. Humid means really wet and moist. So usually when you go to a place that has lots of humidity, you walk outside and you start to sweat a lot because the air is very wet. Our fourth vocab word is rainfall. So it's just the amount of rainfall that areas receive. The rainforest, remember from our video, receives over 33 feet of rainfall, which is a lot of rainfall. The last one is tropics. And so this is an area along the equator with hot, sunny, and wet patterns. Okay, so the rainforest, the Caribbeans, anything that you think is tropical, those are all tropics. All right, my friends? All right, let's go ahead and move forward. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to move my face over here for you guys. Okay, so let's look at this picture. Remember, let's look at our passage. A lot less pictures and more words, more details, right? We're going to read the full thing about what the tropical rain belt is. Okay, so let's look at this picture down here. The tropics experience both abundant sunshine and rainfall, meaning they receive a lot of sunshine and a lot of rainfall. In this picture of here, right? Picture of Earth from space. The solid band of clouds seen here is the tropical rain belt, also known as the ITCZ, okay? So that cloud, all those clouds right there, those are those trade winds meeting at the equator, right? Making that tropical rain belt all around the earth, okay? All along the equator. Our title is the tropical rain belt. Make sure you guys are following along, circling your vocab words as we're reading. The tropics is the area along Earth's equator. The weather in the tropics is mostly hot and humid. This is mainly due to the tropics receiving more energy from the sun than other regions. In the tropics, rainfall is abundant. During certain periods, thunderstorms can occur every day. Despite this, the tropics still receive a great deal of sunshine. Temperatures in the tropics rarely exceed 95 degrees during the day. At night, the minimum temperature falls no lower than about 72 degrees. So it doesn't get cold in the tropics. These temperatures vary little throughout the year. Therefore, the seasons are distinguished by changes in rainfall and cloudiness. Paragraph 4. The wet and dry seasons in the tropics are caused by the tropical rain belt. Scientists call this rain belt the Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ, pronounced itch. This band of clouds encircles the globe near the equator. The ITCZ follows the sun. Therefore, its position varies seasonally. It moves north in the northern summer and south in the northern winter. As it moves, the ITCZ causes frequent showers and thunderstorms and determines the wet and dry seasons in the tropics. The ITCZ forms where the trade winds meet or converge at the equator. The northern trade winds move in a southwest direction. The southern trade winds move in a northwest direction. The point at which they converge, right, where they meet, forces the air up into the atmosphere and forms the ITCZ, or the itch. So that belt around the earth, around the equator, okay? All right, guys, so this means, You know how a belt, we wear a belt around our waist, right? When we wear a belt, we wear it right here around our waist, and it's a circular motion, right? Around the middle of our body. So you can think of these clouds coming together at the equator as the Earth having a belt, which is kind of silly. But that's what it is. Here, I'm going to show you guys a picture, okay? Okay, guys, so this is a picture of Earth, right? And this yellow part right here, that is the tropical rain belt, right? It looks like the Earth is trying to wear a belt to keep its pants up. So it's right on the equator, okay? And this is where you can find all of our tropical rainforests near the equator, where the temperatures don't really change, but they have a really dry season, lots and lots of abundant sunshine, and they have a really wet season, lots and lots and lots of abundant rainfall. Okay, guys? Now we're going to talk about the main idea and the details of our passage. Okay, so what is the main idea of our passage, right? We're learning about that rainforest tropical belt that goes around Earth, right? The ITCZ, okay? So what did we learn about the rainforest? Do they have hot and cold temperatures? Nope. Do they have wet and dry seasons? Yes. So the wet and dry seasons are in the rainforest are caused by ITZZ. Okay? Good. So go ahead and pause the video. Make sure that you write that in your main idea. And now we're going to go to the details. So what are some details that support this main idea? Okay? So what are some things that we learned about the ITZZ that we can talk about as supporting details to the main idea? What do you guys think? Go ahead and look back at your passage if you need to. Okay, how are the seasons defined in the tropics? Are they defined by hot and cold? Or rainfall or sunshine? What do you guys remember? That's right. Seasons are defined by rainfall. Good job, guys. Go ahead and pause your video and write your sentence. And then we're going to talk about the second detail that supports our main idea. So remember, our main idea is that the wet and dry seasons are along the tropics and the rainforest are caused by the ITZCZ, okay? So what causes the rainfall? Remember, it's when those winds, those trade winds are converging, right? That's what determines whether it is wet or dry, okay, along the tropics. So rainfall is caused by the ITZCZ, right? The tropical rain belt, right? ITZZ is that tropical rain belt that goes around our planet. Make sure you guys pause and write down your sentence. Oops. Get my text box back. Maybe. There it goes. And what is the last detail to support our main idea, my friends? Go ahead and back to your picture, back to your full text or your amplified text, whatever text you want to look at. Let's think about what forms that tropical rainforest belt? Okay, what forms it? When those winds come to, oops, I just said it. When those winds come together, right? That's what forms that tropical rain belt. So, trade winds from north and south cause the ITZZ, and you guys don't have to write this, but that is the tropical rainforest belt. Okay? Just a little bit of detail. You guys don't have to write that last part in the parentheses, but just so you know, the ITZZ is that tropical rainforest belt that goes around planet Earth. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed learning about the rainforest and the type of climate they have in the rainforest. I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend and make sure that you guys do your comprehension check. Bye, guys.